Welcome to Maths with Shivanand sir. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get regular notification of my new videos. Students, let us see some practice questions today on limits here. Here we'll be having 5 questions. Each questions will be different with respect to different concept here. Now let us see the first numerical here. Limit x tends to 0, x e raised to x minus sin x upon x. Okay. So here, how to solve this question here? Limit x tends to 0. So make it separation here. X e raised to x divided by x minus sin x divided by what here? X. Okay. So x cancel here. So apply limit separately. Limit x tends to 0 e raised to x minus limit x tends to 0 sin x upon what here? X. Okay. This regular formula, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, nothing but what here? 1. Here you apply limit directly. So in place of x you apply 0 here, e raised to 0 minus 1. E raised to 0 nothing but what here? 1. 1 minus 1 equal to what here? 0. Hence option number C is correct here. Now listen the question number 2 here. Limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 2 raised to n, so divided by 1 plus 3 raised to n. In such case, always take the common, the biggest number here. The biggest number is only 1 here. 2 raised to n you can take common here, 2 raised to n. So it like 1 by 2 raised to n plus 1. So in the denominator you take common 3 raised to n. So 1 plus what here? 1 divided by 3 raised to n plus what here? 1. Okay. So now we take the common power here, 2 by 3 to the power of n. So whole divided by 1 by 2, into 1 by 2 raised to n plus 1. So 1 divided by 3 raised to n plus 1. See here. So if I apply limit here, it's like limit n tends to infinity, e raised to n equal to 0 if your a is between minus 1 to what here? Plus 1. Here 2 by 3 is what here? So between minus 1 to plus 1. Hence limit n tends to infinity, keep remember, limit n tends to infinity, 2 by 3 to the power of n value is what here? 0. If it is 0, 0 into this entire guy becomes what here? 0. Hence option number B is correct here. Now look at the third question here. Limit n tends to infinity 10n square plus 5n plus 3 whole divided by n square plus 6n minus 3. Whenever this kind of questions comes here, always take the highest, highest power, the highest degree as a common here. So the highest variable part is what here? N square in the numerator as well as denominator. If it is n cube, take the n cube as a common here. So take n square common here. Take n square common. What will happen here? So 10 plus 5n. So if I take 10 n square common, it becomes 5 by n plus 3 by what here? N square. Okay. In the denominator also, the highest number is what here? N square. Take n square common here. So 1 plus 6 by n minus 3 upon n square. Okay. So n square cancel here. So if I apply limit for this question here, limit n tends to infinity. Okay. So keep remember the result here. Limit n tends to infinity. So 1 by n value is also 0. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 by n square value is also 0. So we have general formula. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 by n raised to p is equal to 0 if your p is greater than 0. We discussed this kind of question in the last video. Okay. Those who not understand, kindly see my last videos. So okay. So if I apply limit here, this limit n tends to infinity, 5 by n, 1 by n value is also 0, 1 by n square is also 0. Here 1 by n is also 0, 1 by n square value is also 0. So the remaining part is what here? Only 10 by 1. 10 by 1 nothing but what here? 10. Hence option number A is correct here. Okay students, so see the next question here, question number 4. This question can be solved with the help of 2 or 3 method here. So one with the help of direct substitution method here. So direct method, if you don't get direct method here, you can apply L hospital rule here, or some simplification approach you can apply here. So x square minus x minus 6. So if I simplify this one, it becomes what here? X minus 3 into x plus 2, okay, whole square. So if I factorize those guy here, divided by x plus 2 whole square, right? Okay, so apply separate square here, x minus 3 whole square into, so listen here, it becomes what here? X minus 3 whole square into x plus 2 whole square whole upon x plus 2 whole square. And this one cancel. What I mean here, only x minus 3 whole square. Limit x tends to minus 2, x minus 3 whole square. So I'll apply directly the x in place of x minus 2 minus 3 whole square, nothing but minus 5 square. Hence option number D is correct here. So one more question. So question number 5. Limit x tends to 0 log of x plus 1 whole divided by 4 raised to x minus 1 here. If I apply directly, so x equal to 0 here, it becomes log 0 plus 1 log 1. Here 4 raised to 0, so 1 minus 1. It is of the form 0 by 0. So I will go with L hospital rule. Even this question can also be do with the help of here L hospital rule here. Okay. So what L hospital rule says here, differentiate the numerator and denominator separately until to avoid what here 0 by 0 form. Differentiate the numerator here log of 1 plus x, log of x plus 1. So log x derivative is 1 divided by x plus 1. So here derivative of 4 raised to x into log 4 to the base e. Derivative of 1 is what here 0. Now you apply the limit here. Limit x tends to what here 0. In place of x apply 0 here. So 1 divided by 0 plus 1. Here 4 raised to 0. So log 4 to the base e. So 4 raised to 0 value is what here 1. It becomes what here 1 divided by log 4 to the base e. If I apply change of base theorem here, it becomes log e to the base what here 4. Keep remember the result here. Log a to the base b is equal to 1 divided by log b to the base a. Hence the correct answer is what here log e to the base 4. Nothing but option number C is correct here. Dear students, here you have some question for you. So carefully answer it here. All questions. Question number 1, 2, 3. Here it's for you. So the answer in the comment box here. Hope you understood. Thank you. Bye.